Well, hello and welcome back to another RV walkthrough. As always, I'm your guide, Taylor Quayle, here at Podata RV Center down in Tucson, Arizona. Today, we get a look at another nice diesel pusher. This is a 2014 Fleetwood Expedition 40X. It's a triple slide pusher on the Freightliner chassis. We're going to give it a full exterior look, check out all the compartments, then jump inside and see what that has to offer. Now, we're going to do our darndest to try to avoid the sun, which I'm doing an awful job of so far. Jeez. So we're going to do this side really quick, get out of the sun. Passenger side, curbside rear. First off, 10-gallon water heater, gas and electric. Right below that, you think you have a compartment bay, but you don't. More hydraulic lines. You can see, look at the block. You can see the block completely from here, which is nice. Cummins, of course, as you can see with that red. Now, being a 2014, we do still have some DEF in here, so diesel exhaust fluid, gotta have it. Goodyear tires, what size? 275, 70R, and 22.5s, and the date code 4216. 7 years about. And then we got your Dirt Devil central vac system right there, goes inside, and then of course the ladder for the back, which, believe it or not, was an option on this coach, which is quite surprising. All right, now that we're out of the sun, under the awning. Awning is mounted, it's an electric awning, it's mounted on the slide, so you get the full length awning, you don't lose any of it from coming over the slide. I like that. Pegboard, 110 in there, 12 volt. 32-inch TV with the Sony speakers was also an option. Full pass-through storage. Another option was a secondary pass-through right here, but they decided to just opt for one on this guy, whoever owned this prior. But that will go out both ways. Always nice to have. Paint's in pretty darn good condition. You see, a couple scratches here and there, but overall, it looks to be pretty good. Make sure we got the same endurance tires up front. It looks like it, yep. And then quickly turn out of the sun. Here's your front cap. All those dang cars going by. 8,000 genset. How many hours? 352.9 on that. And as we're talking about options, of course, you had a 3M film on this. Everywhere where it's kind of connecting, you're starting to peel a little bit, little discoloring. The sides still look really good. That's something to point out. Being a 14, 9 years old, gotta expect a little bit of imperfections on these RVs. All right, going over to the roadside. In this compartment, you got windshield wiper fluid and air connection. Same Goodyear tires, fuel fill right there under the slide out. Slide toppers throughout too, of course. Look at the size of that thing. 38.7 gallons on that propane tank. Next up, other side of that pass-through storage with the tray. And then other side of the pass-through storage without the tray. Ah, yes, everyone's favorite compartment, the dump station compartment. Whole coach water filter, water line. Looks like you actually got a tank down there, an area for a paper towel holder, outdoor shower, low point drains, woo, all types of fun stuff. Inverter. How many? 2800 watt inverter with a disconnect right there. Well, yeah, we got 6 batteries in there. Inverter and 2 additional batteries, I think, was an option on this. We'll have to double check once we go inside. Well, there's another shot of the paint on the rear. Still looks really good. Even the actual Expedition logo isn't too bad. It's a little faded, but not too bad. And then we got a 50 amp hour service on a reel. And kind of hard to see more in there, but it's all your other electrical. 2 more batteries. Small storage compartment with screws sticking out. Don't put anything crazy in there. And then the other side. Alright, so of course we got to get on the roof, even though it's going to be stupid blurry and glary. Let me go get that ladder extension. I'm going to preface this with saying this roof is dirty. It's parked under some type of tree. Got all this little red stuff on there that comes off with a cleaning. Look at this. Couple AC. Oh, damn. 3 ACs. abnormal. 3 solar panels, very nice. And it's actually got a satellite all the way up front. So not quite what I expected on the roof, but very nice. Now, I was pretty surprised to see those 3 ACs up there. I went and double checked the thermostat to make sure they were all zoned to that one thermostat, and they are. So quite a nice feature. Didn't expect it, especially with that solar up there. All right, that's enough of the outside. Let's head in. Right when you walk in, you got a step cover right there. Directly to the left, you got light controls, entry step, and battery disconnects right there. And here's your first peek. I'm gonna go stand right in front of that TV, look forward. So opposing slides up front, so it gives you a super spacious galley and living area. It's a front kitchen. Now, I don't necessarily hate those floor plans because of the seating you get in front of the TV is fantastic, especially with that L shape. And then I did also turn the passenger chair here to give you an idea what that looks like with the little leg extension up. All right, let's start up front. So in the main cab, we'll start up top and look at some storage. Woo, to do! Okay, shoot a video of this RV, I guess. There's all your kind of line card, cable connections. Sony 32-inch TV up front too. And then we got level testers, generator, jacks. There's your zone 3 AC. All your awning and slide controls. Took me a while to find it, but driver slide, passenger, door awning, main awning, all right there. And then your generator. Control panel and gen set above that. Now the seats are all in good condition. There could be fresh upholstery on them. They'll look pretty damn new. And then a little cup holder here for the passenger. I was looking to see if she had the step cover on that side, but it looks like, okay, well, we're gonna have to find it together. A little bit of, not storage, but a little access port there, some storage down below. Over on the left side, docking light, utility lights, aux start, ICC, fan, exhaust brake, turn that, Allison, probably a 3000 series, mirror controls, mirror heat, good strong startup, your backup camera, Century, that's nice. Unlock that, I'll get stuck in here. And that's pretty much the main cab area. It looks pretty similar to most cab areas. Over on the driver's side, it is power, so is the passenger, and then that little guy is to swivel it. And then if you guys care, some decent info right there. Now I did also, you got sunshades, you got actual blackout shades left and right, blackout shades down, sunshade right behind, throughout every window, including that one right there. So you can really black this thing out. So your first slide out, that corner all the way down to that corner right there has your L-shaped couch and dinette in here. Now before we get to that, let's look at the printouts. $139,995. I forgot to mention it's a 360 Cummins in here. I'm surprised I didn't do that at the beginning. All right, everything highlighted are the options available. Not a lot of options, but it does have the majority available. Floor plan right there. Weights and measurements right there, and then dimensions and capacities right there. I'll put all my info on the screen. If you want a copy of that, you're welcome to reach out, shoot me a text, shoot me an email. Let me know you want a copy of the brochure for this 14 Expedition. So, I love the back cushions on the dinette, always nice. Looks like it'd be storage. I think this side opens up, that side's storage. Let me play with this really quick. Well, maybe not storage down there. Maybe it's only on the rear facing one, so I cannot get it open. All right, above the dinette, as usual, storage. That bad boy should be connected all the way down to this one right here. Should be a wall, yep. And those day-night shades throughout the whole coach, every single window. It can get pretty dark in here. Same concept with these overheads connected all the way over to this one right here. This L-shaped couch, that does push in. So if you if you want to give yourself an actual little bit more walk around room in the middle. It does have to go in when the slides are in, so it's something to keep in mind. And then just double check, we do have a jackknife sofa sleeper here. That'll lift up and pull out, and then that pretty much gives you just this whole area for sleeping, which is quite nice. And then on the other side, how does this guy work? It's a pull out. Now looking at that, you should be able to use both at the same time, but they're gonna probably cozy up dang near close to each other inside. All right, moving up front, going on the passenger slide. This slide is about the same size as the one across from us, goes to there to there. It does have a Whirlpool residential refrigerator. This is electric only. Oh, perfect, angled that well so I could open it. It's close though. It does also have a little lock, keep that in place. Moving over, nice big residential microwave too. It does have convection features, which is pretty surprising because you got an oven. 3-burner stovetop there. The back 2 burners there. No light, real backsplash throughout. Solid surface countertops. Expect nothing less. Not nearly as deep as I thought these sinks would be. Slight complaint there. But extension on the faucet still. Soap. These lights, I looked for so long for that light control right there. Water pump sponge drawer. Man, that guy should also. Oh, I thought it was on a slider. You know what it is? It's missing a metal grate that's supposed to go in this area that you can slide in and out of. I've seen those a few times before. Oh, let's see if it has chemicals that are noticed. Yeah, what a surprise. Everything does. And then this one's a little bit taller, give you a little bit more space. Up above, there's really only one cabinet in the kitchen besides those lower ones. Up above, I should say. That one right there. And then as usual, above the couch, same cabinets, all connected to each other. Great little entertainment area, at least a 46-inch TV, I would guess, with some storage down below, not super deep. Breaker box too. All right, and that right there is your galley and your kitchen. So let's go down this side aisle right here. It does have one window. As you can see, it's closed, so the blinds are closed. Lets in a little bit more of that ambient light. The only thing on the wall here are light controls. Bathroom to the left, bedroom straight ahead. But before we get to the bedroom, let's look at the bathroom. All right, so corner toilet, porcelain. Lots of storage. And then the corner shower. A little baby seat. And you got 3 of those drawers, same countertops. Forget to turn the light on. What am I doing? Oh my gosh. Linen closet is very deep. And you got 3 levels there. Oh, that's hard to see, ain't it? Last but not least, in terms of storage, TP storage above the toilet. And after a job well done, you can give yourself a thumbs up in the mirror. All right, bedroom time. Bedroom does also have a slide, only one slide in the bed, king bed, sleep number mattress. As you can see right there. Flip around, full wall closet there, area for a washer dryer there, TV there. Lots of Sony in this coach. Lots of Sony. That is mounted. Behind here is where you would have a washer dryer, full stack washer dryer if you wanted to put one in. It's water lines and connections for it. And then, just a little bit to the left, got your actual closet in here. Cedar lined it looks like on the right. Little area up top for some shoes. More wardrobe storage. Alright. Oh, and then I didn't check. We do have some underbed stuff, pretty good amount of underbed storage. Guys, don't backsass the missus, you'll end up down here. This is the walk back out into the main galley area. right, let me get everything in the position it should be while you're traveling. Get these slides in. We'll see how it looks. And here we are. Both your opposing slides up front are in, driver's side and passenger side. Let's see the accessibility. Let's unlock this fridge. How much can we open the door? That's how much we can open it. Freezer. That's where you keep the liquor anyways. Fully accessible. Dinette you can get to, kitchen, oven, sink, all accessible. It gets pretty tight walking through here, a little side step needed. You might even be able to put the jackknife couch out and just kind of connect this to one big ultra sleeper if you got a lot of kids while traveling. TV, 3/4 of it's visible. You still have a little walkway in between the slide to get to the aisle. Not too bad of a step. Bathroom, of course, nothing's affected right there, but then the bed has a slide that comes in. So that king bed will cozy up next to this cabinet right here, as you can see. If you want to get to the closet, you got to roll across. You're not going to be doing any laundry with the slides in. All right, let's go check out the outside. Make sure I put everything in. Steps to come out, phenomenal. We're going to do the sun side first, passenger side. This is where two of the slide outs are. I'm gonna put all my contact info on the screen. If you have any questions or you want to inquire about buying this 2014 Fleetwood Expedition 40X that we're selling for $140, give me a call, shoot me a text, shoot me an email, let me know how I can help. But I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos or even suggestions for my shorts that I do. I've been doing a lot of those lately. But hey, thank you so much for viewing. Hopefully you enjoyed. Let me know if I can help in any other way.